had some bad weather while we was gone. We had to backtrack and go around another way. We're just hoping our place is fine. Looked like a bunch of straight line winds that went through here. We got some power lines down. So we're gonna have to turn around and go back around the other way. And I'll show you what the road looks like. We got limbs down, leaves down, everywhere. We had to backtrack to get back to the house. We don't even know if there's any damage at the house or not. Looks like a bunch of straight line winds that come through here. So we had to backtrack a little bit. It's just a short video just to show you how our day's gone. We hope everybody else's day's better. Yep, the only other way to get in. And I hope our place is hot and the car's fine. And it wind got up right here, buddy. I'm here to tell you. It looks like straight line winds. Back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. I have two clips I'm gonna put ahead of this one, but we have a motor. It be turning. There's no slack. I believe we have as a motor now. I'd like to thank Barrows and Mr. Ed and Ollie. I don't guess it's too bad. First time in 20-something years to build a motor. My thought is, don't hesitate to ask for help, because we all run into problems, and don't hesitate to ask for help. The ones that don't want help won't help, but then turn around and bite your hand. It's called, the old saying goes, is don't bite the hand that feeds you. And that's a well true saying right there. Anyway, we're gonna try to finish button the cam in it today. Get the oil pan back on it, oil pump back in it, the oil pump back on it. And then as soon as I do that, then I'll put it over on a tire, and then I'll get ready to assemble the heads on it and get them torqued down. And then I'll get ready to slide it in here probably tomorrow if the rain quits. Kind of working around the rainstorm. That's where we at. And my saying was took. Catch you on the next one. But I've been saying that saying since I started making the videos, and somebody decides they want to take my saying away. But we got a new saying anyway. Y'all come back now, you hear? And hit that subscribe button and that little bell thingy. And make sure you drop a comment and at the bottom of the video, and we will Mine went blank. Y'all come back now. You hear?